4142 Brooklyn Avenue Northeast. Camera inspection from a clean out on the north side of the building in one of the restaurants here. I'm going to pull back from here and take a look at the pipe as we go. Coming back through 4-inch diameter cast iron pipe. You can see the rust building up as well as grease. That white stuff, that's all grease. So rust and grease build up on the water line coming down the middle. As I said, this is the 4-inch pipe. This is not the pipe we're actually here to look at. All right. Now we're coming back into the pipe in question. This is the 2-inch line coming from the restaurant. This line has been cleaned twice in the last month. Some rust build up there, causing a pinch point. More there with some grease added to it. Tie-ins on the right hand side coming from the kitchen, I'm assuming. This is a section that looks like it's ABS pipe, nice and smooth with a tie-in coming in. And some grease built up before it. Now back into cast iron. Huh?
This is grease.
Grease and rust, yeah. Nice combo pack. Alright, coming up out of the clean out now. There's our access point. I'm going to end the recording there.